Hi, one of the challenges that I've had with Kajabi is how do I ensure that people are subscribed for one, their programs that they've purchased or the services that they purchased, and two, how do I make sure that they're able to receive those emails and make it easier to make sure they get those emails? Well, I want to share with you a little tip that might be helpful to you in terms of ensuring that people are actually receiving your information and that at the very beginning they are subscribed to ensure that they are receiving the information. Now, I'm not a lawyer, and you do have to check in the country that you're in because what I'm about to show you may not be legal in your country. You just have to check it out. But I'm here in the States, and this is what I know now, what I've learned. So, what you do is you go into this area, uh, kind of behind me. Let me just see if I can get me better over here. Behind me, I have, there's a spot called settings, and you click on settings, which leads you to this page right here. So when you're at settings, one of the things that you want to look for is right here where it says checkout settings. See this over here? Now this is something that's going to show up every time you do an order form, every time you do a checkout page. This is the area that will be automatically applied to everything that you've created to check out. So when you click on the checkout setting, one of the things that happens is you have three set up, and this is to enable your email list opt-in. Now, the email list opt-in is for those individuals who want to subscribe to get information from you. Maybe they want to receive all the information that they've paid for. They have to be signed in and be a subscribed member in order to get the services and everything that they've paid for. And this is really important because sometimes people read something and they think that it's saying, oh, subscribe here, and now they're going to get all this marketing material. Well, that is true that for some people they use it to send all the marketing material, but it's also true that you want them to receive all the emails, all the private podcasts maybe that they've purchased. You want to make sure they're receiving everything. And in order to do that, they have to check the box. So the way Kajabi is set up, it automatically has this set up, uncheck opt-in box recommended. What that means is if this is selected, the individual has to check the box in order to receive the services. Well, we all know that we're moving really fast. Sometimes we forget to check that little box. So there's a second place, and it says pre-checked opt-in box. This is where the box is already checked. And when they have it already checked, if they want to unsubscribe and not receive anything, they actually have to check that box or uncheck that box, which makes them subscribed automatically unless they uncheck the box. The third one is disabled, which is this checkout box will not appear and members will not be added into your list. Well, the problem with this is if you don't have the check-in box, they can't receive their products. They can't get your emails about those products. So I highly recommend that you don't check out it. The next area is this custom messaging, which is optional. I personally like to have a message, and so in order to access all your materials and receive email announcements, you must check this box. This is what I had before I learned this tip. And then I wrote, I will not send you spam, sell my list, or be a pain in the butt. Well, what I am taking out of mine right now is this part because I've set it up now that they don't have to check the box, but they do have to know that I'm letting them know I'm not sending you spam, I'm not selling the list. The whole reason for this particular process is for them to receive their products and their email announcements. So I put this message so that it's automatic on the page. And then here's where the magic lies, at least from my perspective. You can click this, which means it's automatically sign up members to your email list when they purchase a paid offer. Wow, I did not know this existed. This is so critically important. This is like critical because I've had in the past people have said, I didn't get my information, I didn't get this, I didn't get that. And it's because they never checked the boxes up here. They never checked when they were doing the order form. They didn't miss it. I learned about this is that here is, you could click this and now it says we automatically sign up members to your email list when they purchase a paid offer. This is really important. They're not getting signed up if they're signing up for something that's free. They only get signed up automatically if they purchase something. And this is really important. Again, it says here, it's your responsibility to comply with email marketing laws and regulations that are applicable to your business. Failure to comply with such laws can result in your Kajabi subscription being canceled. See our terms of service and anti-spam policy. So again, first you have to know they have to have had purchased a paid offer, and that will make them automatically signed up. And two is you have to be careful about what you're sending out to make sure it's not spammy and that you won't get blocked, because that'll hurt your business, right? But wow, this is a game changer for me. This is huge for me. So I'm just letting you know that this exists. Again, you go to settings on right under my head. You go to settings. You go, let me just put this up here because I changed something. You go to settings. Here, you're going to hear where it says checkout settings. You're going to click on that. Then you're going to make sure that you have a pre-checked opt-in, and then you write your little personal message. Use your language that makes it good for you. And then you do the automatically sign up members to the email list when they purchase a paid offer. Boom! Game changer. Hope this helps. My name is Pegine. Go to powerwomenworldwide.com, where you can be bold, be brave, be seen, be heard, and check out everything that we have for women in business, because I want your business to thrive. Also, if you want to consider being in Kajabi, just check out the links below this video so that you can sign up and become a partner with me, and I'll support you in all that you do. Take care.